Here's how we can activate voice to text on Android. So let me guide you through it. If this is your first time in here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So when you open up the settings and you can literally look up the keyboard right here, it kind of depends on which keyboard you are using, of course. So in my case, I have the ability to pick between a few options. Like I have both the built-in Samsung keyboard as well as the Gboard from Google as well as the Swift key, but all of them have their own dedicated settings. But let's say I stick with the Samsung keyboard. I can go inside of the settings for that particular stuff, and here are all of the settings which I might be interested in. So in our case, I can find the voice input right here, and you can see that it can pick between the technology. Make sure that it's not selected to none, and you can as well install offline language pack if you intend on using voice to text on without the internet. So you just want to make sure it is like selected, and then you can just get inside your regular user interface where you are typing stuff in, and you will have the ability to tap on the microphone and basically just use the voice to text right here. So it depends, as I said, on which kind of like service you are using, but that is the way to make it work. So I really hope that I was able to help you out with that. In case of any further questions, leave them below in the comments. But for now, that's it, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future tutorials as well.